Ma'am, what would be the side effects of cough syrup?
So you see, when you go into the adverse reactions or the side effects, it can vary between mild dizziness, drowsiness, especially children are more vulnerable to that. And recently we had come across the contamination issues also, which has really alerted most of the children, those who are more exposed to the cough syrup, common cough syrup, like over-the-counter cough syrups. So actually, according to the research, the over-the-counter cough syrups are not very successfully running, or it doesn't give you a good relief other than more than a placebo. Instead, you can go in with some simple home remedies like ginger, honey. At least you don't get drowsiness with that. So when you ask about the side effects, it can vary from mild hallucination, stomach upset, drowsiness, sleepiness, to certain heart rhythm problems also.
What would be your closing message on cough syrup?
So you see, that as I told you earlier, one size doesn't fit for all. Each constitution is different. So when you get a cough, it is not an enemy or anything like that. It is your body way of saying that, look, something is wrong with my throat or the lungs. So you needn't suppress it instantly. Rather than suppressing it instantly, you need to ask whether you are looking into the root cause of that. Ayurveda generally doesn't treat like how do you suppress the cough. Just looks into that why the cough began. So just look into the root cause of that and try to uproot cause of that. That is called Nidana Parivarjanam. And when you get such infections, you always go in with some simple Ayurvedic home remedies. Once if it is persistent and continuous, you need to get an expert opinion. But when any therapy can always start from home, that could be a very simple therapy also. So always go into with some simple Ayurvedic way. So your body knows already how to heal, but you just have to look into an Ayurvedic way.